So today I'll be doing an install. It's going to be my second time attempting something like this. And this is the wig. Alright, so this is a 30-inch synthetic wig. And I wanted something different for the holidays. And even though I'm at the last stage really of my vacation, I want to, more come out. Yeah. So a good start. So I did 2 braids down. This is my hair without being combed out. I don't think something different really happened, but here I grow. So I'm just going to tuck these a bit. I'm not going to use anything. And then I will use this. No, not this. A new one. This one, I'm going to put some real gel at the front for people. Look at them. Come here, come all the way out to the eyebrow. So we want to carry it up. Go back. I'm using this. And gel, so you realize how that can be lovely for me, bad. But no, listen to me. I just finished watching Black Panther 2 after this many years. But I love how it's like a dedication to Chadwick. Love it. And I'm gonna cry. I love that to me, but I love it. Yeah. Anyway, all I'm going to be using is a melting spray because it can hold it just this size. So we'll go see what the story I go. This look like it's gonna be very, very easy. I'm not making trust this say because it's about so easy, but we're going to do it. We're gonna put some makeup on something. So I'll be using this edge brush. I should have washed it because brown. Anyway, just to comb it back or brush back my edges, get them out of the way. Then I'm going to put this on. I am by no means professionals. I'm just in my wig era. But just in my wig era, I don't want to feel like a hot girl. That's all. That is all. So I'm bringing it a little bit away from my hairline. Because this is pre-plucked. See? Nice. Don't let it not see. You cannot see it today. See hairline? Very natural. Don't put it on full now. And it's thick. It's thick and big and friendly. This side of my head, it has to be put off to be big and friendly. So let me show you guys. Yes. Wow. Oh my. Wait there. See, this all is out. What? You don't know. This all is out to blind. Personally. From the center. I'm going to cut out the excesses before I actually install it because when I have one of the edge with the arm thing on it, see, you want the eyebrow, but I cut it off nice and I have none of that. So I'm just going to cut it from you. From where you see your lips. It looks nice, no? It looks nice, but it's the truth. Not the truth. It looks nice. Nothing coming up bleach here, nothing clearly pre-bleach. This is it. Yeah. Yes, I'm just cut around a little bit and then we do it. Now that I have actually learned that the melting spray is supposed to be used
after I use a glue. For all the girls who know if you put on the wig already on the cities and laugh, I laugh with you. But at least it's held, because, baby, it's only the little part. So, no, to me, the lace is pretty good. To me, remember, so I just started into my wig era and them something there. So, your girl bandung and bandung 2 times because I want something come out good, nice. So, you see me there, they wonder, oh, the story set us, so sit there. Yeah, angle that's only right this to lift up. And it's because I actually didn't cut what the ear part. Yeah. But next time I buy one five by something wig. Yeah. I haven't actually worn a wig in a long time. Mind you, this vlog is from last year. I've had this YouTube video 1 full year now. And I'm just posting it. Because enough things, man, I've not really reason, man, I tell a lie. I just wasn't on game as I was supposed to. But as you would have seen in the intro, I will be doing 7 days of Christmas or Vlogmas. So I'm gonna post 7 video. I may post an extra one, but I don't want to stretch myself too much and I can't produce. You understand? And this is me detangling. Of course, on a dome blind. On some with a comb and some with a comb out. But it was pretty easy to detangle, and even after, once me got my bed at night time, with a platty, put in 2 plats, granny, sister, brother, all of whatever plot you want to call it. Look at that. Look at this. If it is that you've never worn a synthetic wig, baby, you are missing out, because this would have been not my first one, because I bought a headband wig before. I've purchased one before, and I never bought. That was actually difficult to detangle. But this is so silky. And now that I know that you can use some something for actually silk shampoo for wash out your synthetic wigs and make it nice or something. And another hack for the little hairs at the back that would tangle up, like what they your nape, your neck back from the Jamaicans, you can use deodorant there and it come out quicker clock. Easy peasy. Now look at this color. Rich. Gorgeousness. Right now somebody didn't want to do one of the Chinese looking thing where you have a two little cute stuff. Look at Dolly them on TV. Them on TV, when yeah, what people them call Dolly. That style where the young girl them do? I left out the 2 little piece right in front. My mother call them feelers. Put left out the 2 sitting them around in front. Yes, so that me didn't want to do, then me don't know. When me mind go, me just go somewhere else. Cause why I put it back? That's the look I wanted. But I think I'm going to have to go to the hairdresser. I'm going to think me that. Listen to me. I'm not doing the voice note here. My mama tell her I'm not doing it. I don't know what I'm doing the rest of the footage because something go wrong with my brain. I'm probably tired. Oh yeah, me I take out my baby ear. People me just watch the video and talk as me see the story I go. Me remember one. You understand? Oh, me I take out baby hair. Right. See girl, I'm take out the baby ear. Me I take out baby hair. You know, enough hear this done. And I don't have the little hair razor thingy where you can have a comb pan once, comb and the razor together. Man, I have that, so I take one of my little scissors and try a thing. I'm not thinking it come out 5, but you don't still see it, I kind of doubt myself, yes, so. But it fit me though. It fit me. Yeah, me disappoint myself, but we thrive. And I want to say, fast forward it, right? I put on this wig when I was leaving the people in country. I'm putting on right into the middle of my first say. But I wonder why when I put on the wig, it looks so weird. Yeah, anyway, me I try heaving up the baby or something, and it not really work out over here. Look how much hair me take out. And I think this is what spoiled the wig. I eventually threw it away because I don't know why. And when I look back at the price that I paid for the synthetic wig, I should not have thrown it away because why? The wig is good quality. Me just kid and care go give somebody for revamp it and sort it out. Cause as me say, I find the lace is good. Had I actually put makeup on the lace a little bit darker than I am too, and then, Ray, what them something the name? Where the girl use the tweezer and pluck it? Yes! Me think me would I can save my lace, my wig. But, you know, it's a learning process. You know, we live and we learn. So, that's something I done so I can stop talk. Mercy, the hand I am no black though. You know, too black. Watch ya. I'm gonna lift up. I'm gonna always lift up here, baby, because dark arms are a thing. And it's also dependent on the deodorant that you're using. You see, become afraid of frozy. When I know I'm going to be on the road for very long, I normally put on, and certain enough, I put on my name. Old Spice, but I burn up but you know, I'm afraid of frozen, so me take a bun up So where the deodorant will match your smell and your frozen level. Big man thing. Anyway, see me there I struggle with the baby area, baby. Jesus, me don't know me head down birds. I mean normally I eat them before me do them something here, you know. So my brain probably cannot focus. Watch ya. Chantalas. Murder. What me I look for? Oh, edge control. For me don't know what to do. I don't know what going on so. I are weak into my knees. But I don't know what swoop. Come girl, swoop the thing. Swoop it. Chantal confused now. Watch it. Then all of the year they want me to then I say what watch it, girl. All I did have to do I get one little clip and put her aside, you know. Then oh God. Wanna see with her here? Wanna see with her? Watch you know, Father God. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, what I keep on the people I'm scream. Hey, I focus in there. Hey, catch it, girl, catch it. Me being me, I lost the rest of the footage, but click this video to see the end result and the makeup look. Bye.